Install QGIS document. So I will show you a very simple method. You need to go to the browser and type QGIS 2.8.1 download here. Then you will reach this page. All versions of QGIS can be found here, and so I will now choose to use version 2.8. Here is the setup for 2.8.1. See this setup exe. When I click on this, my file will start downloading. It has arrived here. Now I need to double click it. 2.8.1. Now I clicked on yes. Now I click on next to see I agree, next install. So the installation will complete. There are many practicals whose output will come nicely on 2.8.1. For example, if you need to take multiple raster files and merge them together seamlessly, then use QGIS version 2.8.1. And the other version I have installed is 3.10 because the practicals for 3.10 will not perform on 3.10, they will perform on your 2.8. As soon as the installation is complete and done, I will show you how to open the program and how to properly use it in your work.